Well, right here, this one right here is bigger than that one right there. Because this one is a lot bigger than we saw earlier. Because look at this one, guys. Whoa, that's a huge one right there. This one is a lot huger than that one right there that we saw earlier. Just look at the size of this one right here. Holy cow. This one is really huge. Look at that one. It's huge. That's bigger than the one we saw earlier. Yeah, like I had said that like just a few minutes ago. Yeah, I know. But this one is much bigger. Like much, much more bigger. Seriously, look at this one. This might be my favorite boat I've ever seen because I've never seen a boat this big. This one is huge. Look at that. Bong, bong. Like, this one is really